Join me as I dive deep into the Ncra stock today and challenge myself to analyze it like an expert. Ncra stock has been on the radar of many investors lately, and for good reason. As a key player in the industry, its performance can have a significant impact on the market as a whole. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what's driving Ncra's stock price and what we can expect moving forward. The road ahead for Ncra stock hasn't been easy, to say the least. Market volatility has been a major challenge, with prices fluctuating wildly in response to even the slightest news or rumors. And speaking of news, there have been some significant developments recently that have sent shockwaves through the investor community. From changes in leadership to shifts in global demand, it's been a wild ride for Ncra shareholders. On top of all that, we've seen some significant swings in revenue and profitability, which has understandably left many investors feeling uneasy. Despite all this, Ncra still has a dedicated following of bulls who believe the best is yet to come. But can they be right? We'll take a closer look at the data to find out. One thing is for sure, though, Ncra's not going down without a fight. The company's been quietly building a war chest of cash and making some savvy strategic moves behind the scenes. In recent months, we've seen some interesting trends emerge in Ncra's financial reports. For one, the company's been making a big push into new markets, which could be a major driver of growth in the coming quarters. At the same time, though, we've seen some worrying signs of increased competition from rivals. Despite all this, the overall narrative from expert analysts has been surprisingly bullish, with many predicting a major rebound in the near future. But what's driving this optimism, and is it justified? We'll delve into the numbers to find out. One thing's for sure, Ncra's future is going to be shaped by its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and stay one step ahead of the competition. Whether it can do that remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, it'll be a wild ride. From my analysis, one thing that really stands out is the significant deviation between Ncra's stock price and its actual earnings potential. This could be a major opportunity for savvy investors to get in on the ground floor, but it's not without its risks. One of the most significant findings from my analysis is the massive discrepancy between Ncra's institutional ownership and its short interest. This could be a major driver of volatility in the coming weeks, and it's definitely something that investors need to be aware of. When you combine that with the company's aggressive expansion strategy, you get a perfect storm of potential price swings. But what does it all mean for investors, and how can you stay ahead of the curve? That's what we'll explore in the rest of this video. One thing's for sure, though, Ncra's not going to be a stock for the faint of heart. It's going to take some serious guts and conviction to ride out the waves and come out on top. But if you're willing to do your research and stay nimble, the rewards could be substantial. To sum it all up, Ncra stock is facing some major challenges right now, but it's also got some significant opportunities on the horizon. Whether it can overcome its current obstacles and emerge victorious remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, it'll be a thrilling ride. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be diving deep into the latest trends in the stock market and what they mean for your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts on Ncra stock in the comments below.